This video is to show how to program the key immobilizer on your 2005 Lexus Gx470. This might work for other models too and some 4Runner models. So here's how it works. This is my master key. In order to do that, you need to have the master key, okay? Because these vehicles have on their computer the keys logged in, and in order to allow you to do this procedure, you need to have the master key. So I purchased a new key from the internet, and as you can see, this will not work. I still need to program the car remote, and also if I put the key in the ignition, you'll see that security light's still on, which will turn the ignition, but will not. You won't start the car. It will just crank over and will not start. See, so we're going to program that key to work with the car. So here we go. We're gonna get the master key. We're gonna insert and remove from the ignition 5 times, and then we're gonna open the door and close 6 times, and then we're gonna insert the new key that we need to program. So here we go. Master key. We're going to insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna leave the key in there. We're gonna open and close the door 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Going to remove the master key out of the ignition, and we are going to insert the new key in. Now it's going to start blinking, and it should take about a minute. What it's doing now, it is programming the new key. I'm gonna pause it, but it should take about a minute. Actually, I'll keep it running so you guys can see how long it will take it approximately. Here we are. His patience is waiting and waiting. You see, he already. Oh no, it's still blinking. Okay. So this might work for other models. I don't think it will work for the 2004 and the 2003 Lexus Gx470 because there is the 05s have a different system. I read on the internet that some people say it's because it has the Bluetooth device and some other things. Mine is fully equipped. It has the GPS, and it has a DVD player, every entertainment system, but I don't think that will have anything to do with it. So this stopped blinking. I'm going to remove the key that I programmed, take it out. I'm gonna put it here on my magnet holder, and I'm gonna put my master back in there. Start the car. That should close the program. Now I'm going to move the master and try my new key. See if it works. Fingers crossed. Yes, just 40 bucks at least. It did work, guys. Thank you very much for watching.